Fjord, and today I'm going to do a review of Capital.com. So the first impression and of this platform is that it's actually working quite good. I had some issues, but it didn't have any bad impact. The greatest thing about this app is that it has a margin, and if you go below 50, it means like if you have minus, you also have like very huge minus, and so in that case, it will just close all the trades, and that's all. You will not lose any more money, except what you have invested and out of your trades that you bought. So this is my review and of quite. This is just one account, and another benefit of this Capital.com is that you are able to have few accounts at the same time. So this is my first account, and it actually has some. No, I would say like 71 euro minus, so it's quite a lot. And the problem here is that I invested in Apple. I I took too much risk, and I didn't make a close at loss, which was very bad idea. And so I'm still from March 2nd, and I'm still here. So in either case, we have here a trend which is going down, and so that's a bad trend, but hopefully we will have some great things. And okay, so this is the trend, and let's get to so the most popular ones. So moving trade and moving average, as well as just a second, this one. This is very nice feature, and so it's called Ichimoku Cloud, and it's based on few clouds. So let's make it bigger. So as we can see, it's quite a red line. Everything is going red. There is no green. On some occasions it was good, but still it was dropping and dropping. So as for Apple, it's not in a good state, and there could be some reversal, but I'm not sure about that. So be curious about that and just be a and so let's see about Ethereum, and so let's change to 5-minute trend, and it's actually showing not a good sign still. It's going down, and it looks like it will. So here are the March. Okay, so that was a very good run, very good comeback, I would say, but now it's just stays. So, but the good thing about this, like, it's actually it's really nice. This application is working really nice. I didn't have any issues. I just one more important thing about the trades is that you can make a close at loss, and you can have a guaranteed, for which we will pay 1%, but that's fine, For this case, it's just fine. So, and this Capital.com platform has a new trades. This is my recently traded, and I also invest in Dow Jones 30. So it's very good looking. The trend is just amazing, and it's like even from December, it's just insane. So, and let's see the top risers here. So, okay, but the problem is there is some issues like the spread, the difference between buy and sell is quite huge on some trades. So not on all trades, but on some. So be careful about that, because if you buy at this point and you actually buy at this point, so it's so huge, and you will wait for a very long time, and you can just sell by that time. So, and of course, so among the trades, there is a GameStop. So this one is just, the problem is, of course, with the trade and sell, but it looks like it will go up. So that's a good sign. And so let's keep, you know, okay, what we have here, and it's actually some markets are not available for trading, and it's pity. And of course, you would buy. Wow, that's insane. That's just insane. But not all the markets are available, so that's the problem. And of course, the weekend trading. This is a very interesting thing, and I'm using that because I'm like not I'm just a day trader, but I usually trade at the weekend because I have more time. So also we have commodities which are closed by the weekend, all market indexes. So indices, this is my favorite one. I invest that the a lot of, and you can buy from the very low money, even okay, zero, so $13, and at some points there was $2. So that's very good. So the forex also available to trade, and actually, so let's say, so it's very risky. Anyway, everything here is risky, but you take a risk at your own, and so there are also shares by each country, and also you choose like popular shares, most traded, top risers, top fallers. So in this case we choose for top risers, and we can see the top risers of that day which we traded, which we start to trade. So UK has quite good trades and good volume, some, well, basically not so bad. Germany, I like Germany a lot. It has really good shares, and but it's working on different times. So thematic investments, futures. Okay, guys. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more videos. So peace out. See you.